If 4/5 of a number is 96, what is 5/4 of the number? So the thing here is we need to find for the number. That is the first thing that you have to figure out. So from here, it is stated that 4/5 of a certain number, so we can make use of a variable x to represent that number that we are looking for. So 4/5 of a number is equal to 96. So if you are looking for this number, that means you have, when you multiply now 4/5 with this number, which is missing, the result that we are supposed to get is 96. So the thing that you are going to do here is to make use of your reciprocal. Okay? So here, we need to simply have the variable x because this is the one that you are looking for. So find for a certain number that once you multiply with 4/5 will give you an answer which is equivalent to 1. So definitely that will be the reciprocal of the number 4/5, and that is equal now to 5/4. Okay, we are multiplying the left-hand side of your equation. So again, this is a problem on equality. So this side must be equivalent to this side. So since we multiplied the left-hand side of your equation by 5/4, to maintain the equality, there should be also a need, or there is a need for us to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so this simply means that if I will be solving for this, the 5/5 will be cancelled. The 4/4 will also be cancelled, resulting to 1. Okay, and that simply means that you simply have now your x. X, which is now equal to the product of 96 and 5/4. So we can do the multiplication here. So since we have 96, this is understood to be 96/1, and making use of the rules on fraction, wherein you have to multiply the numerator and then multiply the denominators and then reduce to lowest term, or you can do it also by cancellation. So looking into this, 96 and 4 can be cancelled by 4. So 96 is divisible by 4. If you do that, the answer that you are going to get is 24. Okay, so the 4 now is cancelled by 4, and the answer that you will be getting is 1. And therefore, the answer that you get in multiplying 24 and the 5 here is now equal to 120. So this simply means that the number that you are looking for is 120, but this is not yet the result or the answer to this problem, because we are to find for the 5/4 of the number. Okay, so this means that we are getting now 5/4, and we are multiplying this by 120. Okay, so because this is the value of the number that we obtain. Okay, so if you are going to do that, we will now change the 120/1 so as not to be confused with the numerator and the denominator. And by doing this, we can do again the cancellation process, because this 120 and 4 are divisible by 4. We could just have this equal to 30, that is after dividing 120 by 4. And then, of course, the 4 divided by 4 is also equivalent now to 1. And our answer now for this is simply 5 times 30, that is equal to 150, and then over 1, or simply equal to 150. Okay, so the answer to this problem is 150.